Okay guys, so let us try to solve for the value of x of this given rational equation. So we have 4x plus 2 over x plus 4 plus 3 over x is equal to 21 over x squared plus 4x. So in this case, ang gagawin natin is kukunin natin yung ating LCD. Then pag makuha na natin yung ating LCD, pang-multiply natin ito both sides. So meron tayong LCD na x plus 4. So we have here x plus 4. And we also have here yung ating denominator na x. So we also have here denominator natin na x squared plus 4x. So we have x squared plus 4x. So ano ba yung factor ng x plus 4? Di ba galing siya sa 1 times x plus 4. Then, anong factor ng 1? So galing siya sa 1 times x. Then, ano ang factor ng x squared tsaka 4x? May GCF ito na x. Then, of course, sa loob is x plus 4. Okay? So, meron tayong common na x plus 4, x plus 4. So, this is x plus 4, x plus 4. Sulat tayo yung isa. Then, of course, may common tayo dito na times x. Okay, times x. Then, of course, yung times 1 natin. Okay, so magkakaroon tayo dito ng 1 times x. So, magkakaroon tayo ng x. Then, 1 times x. Then, multiplied by x plus 4. So, x plus 4. Kaya masasabi natin yung LCD natin is yung x quantity of x plus 4. So, itong LCD natin, x quantity of x plus 4, pang-multiply natin ito both sides. So, x quantity of x plus 4. Okay? So, of course, x quantity of x plus 4 divided by x plus 4. So, we know, cancel natin itong x plus 4, tsaka x plus 4. So, ang matira na lang is yung x multiplied by 4x plus 2. So, let us do that. So, ang natira na lang natin is yung x multiplied by 4x plus 2. Then, of course, eto naman. So, x quantity of x plus 4, this one, divided by this one. So, of course, cancel natin yung ating x tsaka yung x. Ang natira na lang natin is yung 3. Yung positive 3 multiplied by x plus 4. Okay. So, this one naman. So, we have here, di ba itong x plus 4, x squared plus 4x is just the same with x quantity of x plus 4. Kasi ito lang yun, finactor lang natin. The same lang sila. Kaya, kinancel natin. So, of course, ang natira na lang natin is 1 multiplied by 21. So, this is equal to 21. Simplify natin. So, of course, x times 4x. So, we will have 4x squared. Then, x times 2, we will have 2x. Then, plus 3 times x. So, we will have 3x. Then, 3 times 4, we will have 12, which is equal to 21. Simplify natin. So, of course, magkakaroon tayo dito ng 4x squared. So, wala siyang common term. Bring down natin 4x squared. 2x plus 3x. So, we will have positive 5x. Then, bring down natin yung 12. Then, lipat natin sa kabila yung 21. So, itong positive 21, lipat natin sa kabila, magiging negative 21, which is equal to 0. Bring down natin yung ating 4x squared plus 5x, then plus 12 minus 21. So, of course, this is equal to negative 9. Okay, so magiging negative 9 na lang ito. So, this is negative 9, which is equal to 0. So, as you observe, meron tayo ditong quadratic. Okay, so alam natin, ang quadratic na 4x plus 5, kailangan nating i-factor ito. So, ano ba yung factor ng ating quadratic na 4x plus 5? So, pag i-factor natin yan, ang kalalabasan niyan is dapat dalawang binomial. So, i-factor natin si 4x squared plus 5x minus 9. So, as you observe, meron tayo dito sa first term natin, meron tayong coefficient na 4. So, ang gagawin natin dyan, ipang-multiply natin ito sa negative 9. So we will have 4 times negative 9. So, this is equal to negative 36. Then, of course, para ma-factor natin to, mag-isip tayo ng dalawang number na kapag ka-multiply natin, ang sagot is negative 36. At kapag ka-i-add naman natin ang sagot natin, kapag ka-i-add natin yung dalawang number natin, ang sagot is yung 5 na nandito. So, ano ba yung naisip natin? Na kapag ka-i-multiply natin, ang sagot is negative 36. Pag i-multiply naman natin, pag i-multiply natin is negative 36, pag i-add natin is positive 5. So, ano ba yung dalawang number na naisip ninyo? So, of course, we are pertaining yung positive 9 and negative 4. So, positive 9 and negative 4. So, positive 9 plus negative 4 is positive 5. 9 times negative 4 is negative 36. So, ang gagawin natin, para ma-factor natin is, sulat natin itong first term natin na 4x squared. So, 4x squared. Then, sulat natin yung nakuha natin na negative 4x. So, we have here negative 4x. Then, negative 4. Sulat mo yung negative 4. Then, lagyan mo ng x. Tapos, sulat mo rin yung positive 9 na nakuha mo. Positive 9. Then, lagyan mo ng x. Tapos, yung last term natin na negative 9. Okay? So, this is yung negative 9. Then, group factorization mo yan. So, lagyan mo ng group factorization. Factor mo ang 4x squared minus 4x. So, of course, ang common factor is 4x. Okay? So, sa loob is x minus 1. Tapos naman, ang factor naman ng 9x minus 9 is 9. So, this is 9 quantity of x minus 1. So, ito, pareha itong x minus 1, copy mo lang yan. So, x minus 1. Then, of course, sulat mo sa loob din, sa kabila itong nasa labas na GCF natin na 4x, tsaka yung positive 9. So, positive 9. So, in this case, ito na ngayon yung factor ng ating quadratic. So, magkakaroon tayo dito ng x minus 1. Then, we will have 4x plus 9. So, ngayon, solve for the value of x. Of course, x minus 1. So, solve for the value of x. Of course, ang x natin is equal to positive 1. Okay? Then, ito naman si 4x plus 9. So, 4x plus 9. So, magkakaroon tayo dito ng 4x. Then, lipat natin sa kabila si positive 9 magiging negative 9. Divide both side by 4. So, we will have the answer. Yung x is equal siya sa 9 over 4 or negative 2 and 1/4. So, dalawa yung possible na sagot natin. So, it's either yung positive 1 and of course yung negative 2 and 1/4. So, if you have question, feel free to ask question. Medyo mahaba lang. So, yun yung sagot natin. The positive 1 and negative 2 and 1/4.